Hey guys, we're going to start a planet project where you get to design your own planet in the solar system and be creative. I'm going to go over the directions in this video that are linked up in Canvas as well. In Canvas, here are two of the links. The first one that you see on the left, this tells you the overview of the project. There's things you need to describe about your planet. They are the types of animals, vegetation, landforms, the population, the climate or the weather, and how big your planet is. Some things that you need to include in your planet, the different types of numbers that we've been talking about are scientific and standard notation forms of numbers. So you need to have at least one of each one of these types of numbers listed on the screen right now. This is also in your journal and on Canvas as well. On the right side of your paper, you see the sheet that says planet information. This is where you're going to fill out all your numbers and describing your planet. And then once you have this form completed, you will form a presentation or a digital product of your planet using Google Slides. So back over on the left, the instructions say number 1, complete the planet information sheet in your journal, which is this sheet on the right. Then create your digital presentation using Google Slides. Number 3 says each slide should be displaying some of the information off of the information page. So for example, on slide 1, that should be your title page. It should have the name of your planet and your name. I'll show you some examples of this in just a second. Slide 2 then could show the different types of animals. Slide 3 could show the different types of vegetation. And basically, you're just going to go down this list of every type of information about your planet to describe what you've created. Okay? It says keep going down the list until you've included all the items on your information sheet. You can also get images off the internet, or you can draw your own images to put on your Google Slides. Here's a couple examples. So on your title slide, you want to make sure you have your name, your class period, the date, and the name of your planet. So this one's just started. It's called Planet Hope. It doesn't have a student name or class period or anything, but it has the name of the planet. You can design it however you want. It does not have to be in the bottom corner. It can be anywhere. These are just some pictures with the word hope on it. That was the name of the planet. Pictures describing what the planet itself actually looks like. Maybe the types of animals. This person picked zoo animals and then different pictures of what types of animals would be there. Different types of plants. This would kind of be like your vegetation. Be creative when you're putting in your numbers, okay? The distance to the sun is a really big number, so that number needs to be written in scientific notation. That could be a power of 10. The distance from Earth to your planet. Maybe it is a really big number. Maybe it's not. Maybe your planet's close to the Earth and you write it in standard notation. But include some visual representations of what the slide is about so it's interesting. Okay, circumference is the distance all the way around the outside of your planet. That also might be a really big number, so a scientific notation number would be great. The percent of land and water, however you want to do that. The high and low temperature. You might even put these two on the same slide if you want, because they're kind of talking about the same stuff. They don't have to be on separate slides. The population of your planet and the average height or age of your planet, of the people on your planet. These could all go on the same slide if you want, because they're talking about your people. Also, we have one of the features was your tallest and lowest point on your planet. They could be on separate slides or the same slide. It's up to you. Something that's interesting would be the smallest insect on your planet. If it's super tiny, again, that could be a scientific notation number that has a negative exponent because it's so tiny. And again, this person did something creative and kind of fun and unique. They said the percent of UT fans on their planet. And if you know about colleges in Texas, you can tell this fan is an A&M fan. So again, be creative and have fun. Remember, your final product is going to be created on Google Slides after you do the information page in your journal. You can design your slides the way you want, whatever color background you want. You can combine multiple facts on the same slide, but we want several slides so that we can get pictures. So if you want to put 2 facts about your planet on the same slide, that's okay. The lowest and tallest point, the average age and height of the people on your planet. But again, we want to let you guys have a chance to be creative. So have fun. If you have questions, message me or ask me and I will get that answered.